Yeah, they give it to them at Menagerie. They cut the banana with the peel and everything. So it should be good.
Step this way.
Careful, careful. There you go.
You got this.
Hey, wait, get out.
Here you go, Pablo. Yeah, it's getting down.
Damien, back up, back up, back up.
This shit's fucking hilarious.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Alright.
How was it, Chendo?
Estás perrón, güey.
Sudó. Thank you, Chendo.
Oh,
Pablo is
I know.
very happy. Look,
He's his other.
he wouldn't have done anything to you.
Chendo.
Huh? Oh, show me pictures you took. Oh.
It was funny. Hold me up y luego le puso la pata.
I know. That's it.
Even Pablo's
Y luego le
laughing.
subió la otra.
Close the thing, otherwise the dog's gonna.
Yeah. It's hard to close it though.
Alright.
And Pablo, you're gonna enjoy your new home.